So I'm going to walk you through exactly how to smoke kielbasa sausage on the Traeger pellet grill. You can use whatever type of flavor pellet you'd like. Here we're using pecan, but mesquite or something stronger like hickory would be a really great flavor as well. So it's so simple. You literally just take the kielbasa out of the package. You don't even need to poke holes in it. You can if you feel like it. I don't. You smoke it at 225 degrees Fahrenheit, which is conveniently the same smoke temperature that it takes to smoke squash. So I have some smoked butternut squash and smoked acorn squash in here as well. You can get all those recipes at Sip Bite Go. So the smoked kielbasa cooks on the Traeger directly on the grill grates for 2 to 3 hours until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Take it off, let it rest, slice it up, and enjoy. Get the full recipe on Sip Bite Go. Cheers!